Hello children, how are you? Okay children, open your social study textbook of standard 4. Children, open page number 25. Chapter 4, The Great Indian Desert. India has a large desert region in Rajasthan. Location and extent. What is a desert? A big, dry and flat area covered with loose sand is called a desert. Please underline it children. What is a desert? The Great Indian Desert lies to the west of the northern plains. It is also known as the Third Desert. It covered a major part of Rajasthan. The Third Desert extends from the Rana of Kutch in Gujarat to the border of Haryana. Then children, landform. The Aravalli Hills divided Rajasthan into two distinct landforms. The eastern part is fertile with the river Chambal flowing through it. The western is a rocky and sandy area. At some places there are small hills of sand are called sand dunes. Please children underline it. When strong wind blows there, these sand dunes tend to shift. This strong wind are called sand dunes. Then these dunes storm cause further damage to the soil by flowing away. The fertile topsoil is called soil erosion. The topsoil is important for growing crops. Due to its removal, many areas of the desert remain barren and dry. Climate and vegetation. A desert has extreme temperature. Okay children, turn your page, open page number 26. Extremely hot in the day, extremely cold at the night. Hot and dry wind blows here. Rainfall is very less, which leads to storage of water. People living in desert area have to go far to fetch water for their domestic use. River Luni flows through the region, but it has very less water throughout the year. In some places, underground waters come on the surface in the form of spring. Such places are known as oases. We can find some villages near this area. There is hardly any vegetation, only thorny bushes, different varieties, cactus and crickets grow here. Date palm trees and few other crops grow near oases. Then children, solving water problem. Due to less rainfall in desert, shortage of water is a big problem. In order to solve the problem of water, the state government of Rajasthan has built the Indira Gandhi Canal. The canal gets its water from the Sutlej River and supplied to many parts of Rajasthan. Now people get water for irrigation also. They can grow crops like wheat, jowar, bajra and barley. Life in the Great Indian Desert. Life of the people living in the desert area is very difficult. Many people live a nomad life. Nomads are the people who do not have a permanent house. They move from one place to another in the search of food, water and other means of livelihood. They are also called Banjarans. Banjarans are cheerful despite of the hardship. They love to sing and dance. Both men and women wear colorful clothes, and bright dresses. Men wear dhoti and bright kurta and turban. Women wear colorful ghagra, chodni and odhni. They also wear bangles made of metals in their hands and fit along with a big nose pin. How do they move from one place to another? A camel is very important and useful animal found in desert. People travels on camel or in cart pulled by them. It provides milk. Its hair are used to making clothes and skin to make tents. The camel is used by farmers to plow the fields and to draw water for the wells. That is why the camel is called sheep of the desert. Children, please underline it. Sheep of the desert. Why camel is called sheep of the desert? People in desert rearing animals like goats, sheep. Houses in desert area are very thick wall to keep the heat away. Many houses have underground tanks to store water. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Please children underline it, which is known as Pink City. Children, Jaipur is known as Pink City. We called as Pink City. The main festival are Gangaur, Teej, Holi, Diwali and Eid. Main language spoken are Rajasthani and Hindi. Rajasthan state is famous for its many old forts and palaces. Udaipur, Jaipur, Jodhpur, Ajmer, Kota, Alwar, Bikaner, etc. are some famous tourist places. People from all over the country and world visit Rajasthan. Okay children, thank you.